Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Had a question, and no better way to really show you here than to show you guys on my truck here the answer. So the question was, how do I turn it to where it won't tell me that I've changed the state border? So you might want to turn that on, might want to turn that off. I'm going to show you a few of your map settings here to actually show you how you can do that. So I'm going to show you a couple things at the same time, which, you know, I always like to give you just a little bit extra of what you want. So follow me here to my 14-inch screen in my Tundra. It's going to be very similar on most of the new vehicles that are coming out for Toyota to be able to do this. So what you'll see is this is your map screen right here. If you hit down here, you have a lot of the settings that are down here on this little sandwich side here, which you can do your navigation settings here to show your speed limit, to show traffic incidents, free-flowing traffic, your home, work, favorites. You can show all of this stuff here, even nearby parking. And you can see route options here. So if you want to avoid tolls, avoid highways, just really easy if you're here. But you'll notice it does not show the border crossing. The border crossing's actually in a different spot. So what you want to do is you want to come down here. So if you're on this right here, you hit settings, right? But you want to come down here to notifications. So you're gonna hit notifications, and you're gonna see if there's a software update, vehicle suggestions. You can turn that on, turn that off, so it can do anything for you for that. Virtual assistant, navigation during calls. So you can turn this on to give you your turn-by-turn even when you're on a phone call. This will give you turn-by-turn on navigation, traffic alerts. Here's your state border guidance. So if you don't want your state border, you can shut that off and say, look, I don't want to have, you know, anything that's that. So you can do that. If you don't want to have a HOV lane, if you don't, because when you have a navigation coming up or that, or on there, it'll say about to enter HOV lane, and it'll say, or HOV lane available there. So it'll give you all of that, unverified roads, it'll let you know. But that's how you set whether or not it's going to give you the state border. And like I said, over here you can set other navigation settings, like showing the speed limit, traffic incidents, things like that right there, and route options. You saw that. So if you're hauling something, maybe you don't want to go on the highways, hit this button, and whatever map that you put on there, it's going to avoid the highway unless there's absolutely no choice, right? Avoid border and crossings. I believe that's a national border that it's going to avoid there, but I haven't tried that one. It could be a state border too. But those are the ways to adjust your map to do exactly what I just showed you there. So Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Hopefully that answered your question, and you guys can let me know if it did or not. But appreciate you guys. Definitely like, subscribe, and check out my Fact of the Day channel as well, Fact of the Day with Stephen Welch. You guys will like some of that stuff. It's just a fun channel that I'm doing on the side as well. So Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota, beautiful downtown Nashville, or just outside of downtown Nashville. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.